Good morning. It is Afro Millennial Momma here on a Sunday morning. Breakfast is being made, and we have I think we're filling up the water tank here with our own borehole water, by the way. And we also have another project going on, so I said let me give you guys a little Sunday behind the scenes of what's going on. You always have to be ready, because anybody can show up ready to do some work, and you just got to jump on it when they come. So you see this ladder right here. Our Patreon members got to see us get a AC installation in our room, but today we're getting for the main room. This has been like this for almost a year, just the cable sticking out, and so we finally got somebody to come through on their promise, which was somebody we had a contract with, and they never gave us our ACs. So the contractor finally fulfilled what he said he was gonna do from a long time ago. So we had to be on him, but we finally were able to get what was promised, so, because we weren't going to do it ourselves, because he already owed us. Nice. The AC gonna be nice and cool, huh? Yes. Can you say yes? Ah. Hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello. This is the part that kind of hurts. When you see paint come off your wall, but it's all a part of the process. That should be covered up soon anyway. Choo-choo. Papa Jum. Papa Jum. Papa Jum. Papa Jum. Yang sama Papa Jum. What you guys doing? Ida. Ida. Coco. Yes. Okay. It looked the same size as the other one.
It's the same size, just the engines are different.
Oh.
If it's the 2 horses one, that's longer, a little bit.
The horsepower.
2 horsepower. This one is a horse and a half power.
Oh.
The ones you have 1 horse. I mean, it's like less than horsepower because it's not big.
Okay. So this is stronger.
The engine is the only difference.
Oh, okay. This part.
Yes.
Oh. This is bigger than the other ones. Yeah. Okay. This with me. 12,000. Okay. The power. Right?
No.
What?
No, just the power. Different.
He gonna be able to put this up?
Yeah, we just gonna have
Mm-hmm. What's that you holding? What's that?
That's the wires and the cooling system.
Okay.
Two arms. That's why we're trying to guide it so it won't get stuck in there.
Oh,
So it can come
to the other side.
Plug the rest of the engine right here.
Okay.
Ok, xaaral. Bàyyi bés ka mu wàcc parce que dafay kale ci gannaaw bi.
waaw dafa war a ñëw fii nii.
Aywa na ñëw.
Lekkal. Aida. Lekkal sa crème glace.
tuuti ci gannaaw fii dafa seere kanam bi comme ñu defee rek tuuti pour mu dem.
Shakira. Shakira is here. Let me feed the cats now. Releasing the gas. There's gas already in there? Oh, it comes like that?
Releasing the gas so it can get cold.
Okay. So gas gotta be refilled? It gotta be refilled?
No, can't really.
Oh. And that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. We got air. Fresh, cold air. All right, I'm gonna go now.
Go ahead.
Say bye to the people.
Hey. Not bye.
See,
You're just gonna say hello
and see you later.
and see you later.
Black people, we the coolest, we the baddest, we the flyest, we the realest. I love y'all. Peace.